Hi guys, so welcome again to another tutorial of P6. Okay. So ito ang ating pagdidiscussion ngayon, pagdidiskussan. Okay. So go to home, go to P6 and go to 1. Okay. So ito muna ang ating problem for today. Ayan, paano ito? Ayan. Yan ang ating problem, guys. And then, isa pa, which is ito yung continuation. Ayan. Yan yung continuation niya, guys. So, a coin is thrown. Okay, so meron pa tayo nito. A coin is thrown from the top of a 3-story building with an initial velocity of 5 meters and an angle of 45 degrees. Okay, so susulat. Basahin mo na lang din siya. If each floor has a height of 15 meters and ignoring air resistance, calculate, okay, calculate natin, the highest point attained by the ball with the respect to the ground. Okay, the total time of the coin above the ground, the range of the ball, and the time it takes for the coin to reach 75% of the building's height above the ground. So ito yung ating kukunin. Ayan. So ilisin na natin yan. So ilagay natin yung mga given. Wait lang guys, kunin ko lang yung aking notebook. Ayan guys, nakuha ko na yung notebook natin. So, a coin is thrown above a 3-story building. So, magdodrawing tayo dito ng 3-story building guys. So, imagine this as 3, ayan, ayan. Ano ba naman yan? Oh, la. So, imagine this a 3-story building guys. Ayan. Ano ba naman? Hindi ma-perfect. Wait lang guys. Ayan. So, 3-story building siya. So, ganyan. So, ganyan. Imagine na lang. So, ganyan and ganyan. Okay. So, 3-story building, ang kanyang, with an initial velocity of 5 meters per second with an angle of 45. So, ibig sabihin natin, dito binato daw yung ball. Ganyan. So dito, sabi mo dyan yung ball. So here and here, ang kanyang angle ay, that's correct, 45 degrees. Okay, ang kanyang angle. So 45 degrees ang kanyang angle. Pero ang kanyang, binato siya ng 5 meters per second. So dito yan, 5 meters per second dito. Yan yun. Yan. So, 45 degrees, okay. If each floor has a height of 45 meters, so di ba 3-story yan? Each floor 15 meters and then 15 meters and then 15 meters. So ganyan yung ating sistema, guys. Ngayon, calculate natin yung the highest point attained by the ball with the respect to the ground. So lagi nyo tatandaan guys, pag mga ganitong problem. Lagi yung tatandaan. Pag mga ganitong problem guys, uy, nangyari. Pag mga ganitong problem is, independent yung dalawang sides, okay? What do I mean by that? Independent ang kanyang x, so ito ang kanyang, hindi, independent ang kanyang y, this is y. Yan ang y. Ito, basta yan, ang kanyang x ay independent din. So, ang ibig sabihin nun guys is hindi sila magkasama. Parang ganun. Hindi sila magkasama guys. So, para ma-compute natin yung A guys, total time of the coin above the ground, kailangan natin kunin yung kanilang sides. Okay? Kasi ito triangle to guys. Pag triangle, ano ang kanyang involved? Tama. Wait lang. So, Pythagorean theorem. Tama guys. Pythagorean theorem gagamitin dyan. Wait lang, nagluloko itong ano. So, imagine niyo na lang na ganyan yan. And then ganyan. So, ang VI natin guys, ang VI na sinabi doon is 5 meters per second. So, ang hinahanap natin dito ay ang Vy at ang kanyang Vx is unknown. So, kukumputin natin yon. So, paano computing yon? Naturo na to dati ni Sir Papa guys. So, ganito gagawin dyan is Vi, Vi, para mahanap natin yung ditong side, that's sin theta. Yan, Vi sin theta. Magiging Vi, mali. I mean, yung VI natin guys is, ilagay na natin yan. That's 5 meters per second. That's sine over 45 degrees. Pwede itong ilagay sa calculator guys. Ayan. Ang kanyang, para makuha natin yung isa, this is VI. Yung isa naman, VI is, mali. This is cos guys This is cos theta. Okay, so 5 meters per second, that's cos 45 degrees. Okay, cos 45 degrees. So, kunin ko lang yung aking calculator guys. Tingnan ko. Okay, so nakuha natin yung calculator. So, 5 sin 45 ay ang lalabas doon is ang kanyang Vy ay is equals to 3.53553. Okay. Ang kanyang Vx ay 3.53553 din. So, ayan. Confirm nyo lang yan, guys. So, boom! Tama nga. So, nakuha na natin yung kanyang mga sides, okay? Balik tayo dito sa ating So, the total time of the coin above the ground. So, ang hinahanap dito is yung total, dito pala, the highest point. So, ang highest point natin, para makuha yan, is gagamitin din yung Y max. Pwede natin itong gamitin dito, guys, kasi, given yung kanyang height, tong height na to. Given yan guys. Ito at ito ay given. So this is actually this is displacement ata to. This is 45 meters. Ayan. 45 meters guys. Okay. So Y max is equals to V2 VI sin, kasi sin ang ginamit natin, cos Vy ang hinahanap, Y max nga eh. So 2V sin, wait. 2V sin theta, gawin natin yan, squared over 2V sin theta. Wait lang guys, nakalimutan ko ang aking formula. Okay. So, ang ating formula ay ayan na. Wala pa lang 2. Wala pa lang 2 guys. Wala. So, V sin lang. Ayan. VI sin theta 2 over G. Ayan. Nanahanap na natin yan guys. Ang gagawin natin ngayon ay plug in na lang to. Y max, okay, is equals to, yung VI natin dito is gagamitin natin yung VI ng yung to. Tama ba? Teka lang guys. Teka lang guys. Yan lang kayo. We'll be right back. Okay, so yan, nalaman na natin guys. So ito, hindi mo natin siya ipa-plug. Dahil VI sign, ito yan guys, oh, VI sign dito. So ito muna ang ipa-plug natin. So 5 yan, huwag tayo malilito dito, this 5 meters per second. This is sine, okay? So ang theta natin is 45 degrees. Okay? Squared over 2, ang gravitational natin lagi dito guys is 9.81. Okay. 9.81 guys. So compute natin yan sa ating calculator. So 5 sine ng 45 sine ng 45 squared over 2 at 9.81. Okay. So, ang lalabas dyan ay it should be guys, mali na type ko sa aking calculator. Ano pag ginawa yung negative ito? Okay. So, the highest point attained by the ball. Okay. So, yan guys. Pag ang magiging mangyari dyan ay ang Ymax natin is equals to yung nakuha natin dito, this is equals to 0.6371. Okay. I-plus lang natin siya doon sa may 45 itong height niya. Itong height. So, para pag wala ito, ang gagamitin nating formula dyan guys is iba na. Okay? Iba na yung gagamitin nating formula dyan. Mangyayari dyan is, ang gagamitin nating formula dyan ay, ano yun dito? Teka guys, hanapin ko lang. Ayun, ang gagamitin nating formula is BF squared is equals to VI squared plus 2AD. Pag walang given na height o displacement, guys. Ito yung gagamitin natin, guys. So, burahin na natin. So, ito plus the original 45 meters, guys. Ay, meron na pala. So, ayan. This is equals to Y max is equals to kalang guys is 45.63 or 7 na to kasi, so that's 4 meters. Okay, so yan na yung Y max natin guys. Okay, boom. So, ayan na. Kuha na natin yung A. So, C is the range of the ball. So, ang hinahanap dito is X to guys. So, A, this is B. Range of the ball. Okay, the range of the ball ang ating hinahanap. Ayan. So, paano naman ito pag the range of the ball? Pag the range of the ball guys, ang hinahanap dyan, ay ang gagamitin nating formula dyan. Di ba meron tayo yung tatlong formula? So, ang gagamitin nating formula dito guys. Ay, hindi. Para mahanap pala yung the range, ganito lang. D is equals to V initial plus, V initial plus T. Yan. Tama yan. So, displacement guys, VI, ito ang gagamitin VI natin dito guys, is iba na. Okay. So, ito na yan yung X na. Ayan. Kasi X na yung hinahanap natin dito. It's 3.53553 times the time, which is ang time natin dito ay AB. Ay, mali. Ano may ibig guys? Total time pala. Range yung ano ko. Okay. Di bale, continue na natin yan mamaya. Hanapin muna natin dito yung the total time of, okay, yung total time muna tayo. So, solve lang natin siya dito. B. Total time. Okay. So, para ma-solve ang ating total time, guys. Total time of the ball. So, tingnan natin yung mga given na dito, guys. Okay. So, meron tayong D is equals to 45 meters. Wow! 45! Okay, 45 meters, guys. And then, we have D is equals to 45 meters. VI is equals to 3.53553. And then, time is unknown. Siyempre yun yung hinahanap natin. And ang acceleration natin ay 9.81. So, gagamitin yung formula dito is yung D is equals to VIT plus 1 over 2 AT squared. Solve for that, guys. D is equals to negative 45 meters is equals to 3.53553. That's T. Okay. So, search ko lang, guys, para naging negative 45 meters yun. Dali lang.
Looking at the y component of this velocity vector. So we can plug the numbers in. Negative 100 for the displacement, 4.25 for initial velocity, and our usual acceleration.
Okay, guys, so gets ko na bakit negative to, guys. Kasi falling from the ground pala siya. So magiging negative. Pero pagka lumipad, di positive. Ito kasi pag ganon siya eh. So vertical ang hinahanap natin. Pababa yung vertical niya, guys. So that's negative. Okay. Proceed na tayo dito. T plus 0.5 kasi basta yan. Malalaman nyo bakit yan. That's negative 9.81. Okay. 9.81 T squared. Mabot pa talaga sa huli. Okay. So, pagtapos niyan, guys, is magiging negative 45 meters is equals to 3.53553. That's T plus hindi na to plus kasi negative yan eh. Ano yan? Minus 4.905 T squared. So, this is T squared. Ilalagay na natin siya dito, guys. Yan. So, may 0 dito mangyayari. 0 is equals to, mauna na to, negative 4.905 T squared. Okay, T squared. Ito susunod to plus 3.53553. Okay. Plus 45 meters. So, ayan na nga, guys. So, wait lang. May tingnan na tayo dito. Curious lang ako eh. Ayan. Okay. 45 meters. So, 0. Ilagay natin ito sa calculator. Pagka ang calculator nyo is yung Casio ClassWiz FX981EX, pwede nyo itong ilagay. Mode A. Okay, Mode A lang. Okay, so ang ano dito ay syempre 3.41 seconds. So pwede natin i-solve yung ano kanina, C. C pala yung kanina eh. C yun guys. Ay, mali na. Mali na guys, mali. Okay. Yan. Ang satisfying ng ano eh. Okay. Next. Lagyan na natin yung nakuha natin doon kanina, which is, ay mali na naman. 3.41 seconds. So, ang ating D ay 12.06 meters. So, ito yon. Nakuha na natin yung C. Yan yung C guys. Pag range of the ball, ganyan lang yung formula. Huwag na kayo magpakahirap. Ganyan lang. So, curious kasi ako guys. So, may napanood akong video guys. Hindi ganito yung ginawa niya sa YMAX eh. Try natin kung paano yung isang paraan. So, dito ko na siya susolve. Kaya dito kung, ayun, may add page pala eh. So, YMAX pa rin to guys. This is A. A muna tayo. So, okay. Let's go solve it out. So, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, ang nangyari is BF squared plus VI squared. Hindi ko na alam. Ano yung susunod doon? VI squared plus 2AD. Okay. So, ang kanyang BF squared is 0. Siyempre, maximum eh. Kumbaga, ang hinahanap natin daw, ang hinahanap natin sa problem guys. Tama ba? Kamali. Highest point. So, peak. Ang peak ng ano, ganyan is pag ganyan. So, ito yung hinahanap natin guys. So, ang equal niyan is 0. Okay. Try lang natin to. Oh, di ba? Stig. So, yan guys. 0 is equals to... Ay, mali. Tama ba? Equals yan eh. Equals yan. Equals to VI squared. Which is ang ating VI squared is yung Y. Kasi ang hinahanap natin ito yung Y. So, anong Y natin? Diba, nag-Pythagorean theorem tayo. Ito yung Y. Same lang pala. So, magiging 3, ayan, ayan. 3.53553 squared plus 2 and then negative 9.81. Oh, di ba? 9.81. Tapos, this is the displacement. Yan guys, may displacement. Iyan na natin to guys. Squared natin yan. 3.553 squared is equivalent to... Hindi, i-move natin siya dito guys para i-move. Ayan, i-move yan dyan guys. Para ito, para makuha natin yung D. So magiging, pag minove mo yan guys, magiging negative na yan ah. So magiging negative 3.53553 squared. Ayan. Nanabog na natin yan. Is equals to, ipagano natin ito tayo. Ito ipagta-times na natin yan. 2 times negative 9.81 is 19, negative pa rin yan ah. 19.62. Okay, D. So, ang hinahanap natin dito is yung peak niya. So, that's meters. So, displacement yun, guys. So, both sides natin para ma-cancel to, guys. Negative. This will, so, this will cancel, guys. That will cancel. Yan, that will cancel. And, over natin dito ay negative 19.62. Okay. 19.62 and displacement natin dito ay, so makakancel din yung negative din guys. That's negative 3.53553 squared over negative 19.62. Okay, so same lang din yung kinalabasan guys. Oo nga pala, that's 0.6371. Okay. So, katulad din nung nagawa natin siya dito guys. Ayan. Negative kasi pala to. Ayan. So, ayan na rin guys. Pero ang lalabas dito talaga positive. Eh, dyan lang yung magni-negative. So, yun. Pinag-add natin siya kasi pinag-add natin yung 45. Kasi ito yung 45 degrees. Ito yung 45 meters. So, ang hinanap kasi dito guys is yung highest point attainable by the ball. So, sinama natin to, pinag-plus natin. After natin, kinompute kasi natin dito guys, ito tas ito yung na-compute natin. I-add mo lang itong, yan, para makuha mo na yung which is 45.6 something. Ayan. Sobrahin na natin. So, yun, same lang din pala. Tama din yung tinuro ni, ni Neon. Yan. So, yan. After nito guys, tapos na tayo dito, yung sa D na tayo, D. So, ito natin solve yung D. So, D is equal, usually this is equals to, this is the time it takes for the coin to reach 75% of the building's height above the ground. So, the time it takes for the coin, okay, the time it takes for the coin, so ito kunyari yung coin, to reach 75%, so ito yung building kunwari. So ito, so mo this is 75%. To reach the building height above the ground, so ito yung above. Wait. Oh, so hinanap yung andito. The building's height above the ground. So yun guys, yung hinahanap natin yung doon. So paano yun? So 45 meters ang building natin guys. So 75%. So that's 45 times, mali pa kung saan ko sinulat. Ito pala sa second page. So that's 45 meters. Okay. And this is 0.75. Okay, so pag nag-times mo yan guys is magiging 33 point something siya eh. Kalimutan ko na, pero yun natin. Mali lang guys. Compute nyo na lang. Magiging 33.75 siya. 33.75. Okay, since nakuha na natin yung 75% niya. Ayan. I-minus natin siya sa 45 meters. Okay. Para makuha natin yung, kasi di ba parang ito yung building guys. Binato natin dito, this is the 75% kanyo. So ito yung nahinanap natin, ito na yung 33.75, ayan yun. Yung ito tas ito, hindi natin alam. Unknown, so yun yung hinahanap natin. So pag pinag-minus yun, that is equals to negative 11.25 meters. Okay. So, since pababa siya, alam nyo na yan guys. Okay. Negative. Magiging negative rin yan sa displacement kasi. D, ang ina natin kasi dito guys is yung time. Okay. Time yan eh. Basahin natin yung problem. The time. The time. So, time nga. So, D, yung formula kanina is yung VIT plus 1 over 2 AT squared, which is simplified to VIT plus 0.5 AT squared. Since ang hinahanap dito guys is yung kanyang, kasi ang hinahanap dito guys, oh my gosh, time it takes to going to reach the 7 building's height. Okay, so Y pa rin siya, so Y yan guys, Y. So BY yung Y yan dito guys. Okay? So D is equals to negative 11.25 kasi accelerating din siya pababa. Is equals to, actually kahit 11 yan, kahit positive yan. Ganyan pa rin yan. Okay. So that's Itong VI, that's 3.53553. Since what time yun yung hinahanap. Ayan. Okay lang. Ayusin natin para naman presentable. Plus 0.5 gravitational ng 9.81 t squared kasi wala tayo nun. This will become here to that side. This will becomes to 0 is equals to 3.53553, that's t, plus pag pinag-times mo yun magiging, hindi na siya plus pala, nakikalimutan. That's 4.905 t squared, which is ito, lagyan natin siya dito kasi t, i-arrange na lang natin siya, plus 11.25 meters. Okay, so that will become 0 is equals to negative 4.905 t squared plus 3.53553 t plus 11.25 meters. So this is equals to kunin natin is that's 1.92 seconds. So ito na yung final nating sagot. Ayan guys, nasolve na natin. Thank you guys for listening.